Hi guys, trust you are staying safe. It's good to be back again. How are you doing? Hope you are cool. Hope you are good. Today we want to look at 3 key principles of leadership, and this video is going to be divided into 3 parts, and we'll be taking one principle in each part of the video. Now, first thing first, we need to understand the foundation of leadership. That you are not a successful leader until you have rebuilt or you have built others that can continue your step. Leadership is about rebuilding others. So if you are a leader and throughout your tenure in leadership, they are not people who you can point at and say, during my position as a leader for the past 4 years, I've been able to build so people as leaders. Then you have failed the test of leadership, because every good leader must have a successor. Every good leader must have a successor. So if you're a leader and there have been no one that has benefited from your leadership, you have not been able to reproduce leaders in your stead, leaders like you, reproduce people who will take leadership positions or who are already on leadership positions, then you have failed. So leadership is not just being a leader. Yes, it's good to be a leader, it's good to care for people, but it's also about reproducing others like yourself or better than you. And that is what will give your name an everlasting impact. Let's look at our Lord Jesus. If when our Lord Jesus Christ came to the world, if he had not reproduced apostles, he had 12 disciples, then apostles, then 70, there will be no gospel today. So if your leadership starts and ends with you, then you have failed the test of leadership. So a leader must have succession plan. You must plan for the future. That's your principle, that's your philosophy that you believe in. You must plan it, and you must have people who can continue. So every leader must understand that you must ensure that part of your KPIs, your key performance indicator, part of your strategies is to make sure you rebuild others, and people can point to you and say, I became a leader and I got this leadership position because of him. So thank you. Watch out for the second part.